Hello and welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to manually disable archive accounts in Veritas Alta Archiving. This process is essential if your organization isn't using CloudLink or Office 365 Sync for provisioning. So let's get started. To begin, log in into the admin console. Make sure you select the appropriate region that hosts your organization's data center. Let's go to the archive overview and take a look at the number of actual users. Let's take a look at the personal archive and Alta discovery numbers. We can see here that we have 217 users with personal archive and 220 users are discoverable. In order to reduce these numbers, we will need to do some disabling work here. Let's see how to disable personal archive and the discovery access. To do so, navigate to the configuration and then account management. This is where you can manage user access and archiving settings. If you need to disable login access for certain services like Alta Personal Archive or Veritas Alta Discovery, you will start here. Check all the accounts you wish to modify, then click on Archives and select Remove User from the drop-down menu. In the pop-up window, select Disable e-discovery access and or disable PA access depending on your needs. Then click OK to apply these changes. Now you can see that PA access and the discovery access are set No for these users. Let's go back to the archive overview. As expected, the number of users with personal archive access has decreased, but the number of discoverable users is still the same. Now let's go back to the account management. To disable both login access and account archiving, we need to select the account, go to the Accounts page, then click Edit. Here, under Status, you can toggle the account from Enabled to Disabled. This will prevent any new emails from being archived for that account. Now let's save it and let's go back to the archive overview to see the changes. As expected, the number is reduced by 1. Remember, emails for accounts with disabled archiving won't be archived anymore. If you want new emails to be archived to an unassigned legacy account or to manage multiple accounts at once, you need to use the bulk disable users option from the account management page. Make sure your selections are correct and don't forget to update your changes. That's it. You now know how to manually disable archiving account in Veritas Alta Archiving. For any assistance or questions, please reach out to your customer representative. Thank you.